Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Rebel 1100. This twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 5,900 miles. This is the one with the automatic transmission, 6-speed automatic, ABS brakes, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected. It's also got upgraded rear Burley shock absorbers. Come on by and make your Rebel 1100 dreams come true with this gorgeous metallic red. $89.99. This thing won't be here long. We got finance, we got extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Drive and go, no gears to mess with. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.